As the pace of change accelerates and industry pressures grow to create more, better, faster, design and make industries need to find new ways to facilitate collaboration and increase efficiency. Autodesk is building a platform to help connect your project and product lifecycles.
Hello everyone, today we are here at Mart to discover how they are transforming the furniture sourcing industry, from going to manual to digital process using AutoCAD technology and AI to read these layouts and generate BOQs that are accurate, transparent, and in the most efficient process possible.
We got Mart to change the way that we wanted to have an effect on the industry is that have 30 years of experience working with clients in different ways, different users. It's everything from working with a designer is different from working to a contractor to a developer. What we've done is that we've realized that we need to create an experience that caters to all of these different users. And there's no one-trick pony for that, because designing a space is a process and it requires thinking and stakeholders. At Mart, we're in the center of that when it comes to FF&E and furniture today. And we need to be able to cater and liaise with these in different ways. And that's where we've leaned onto technology and created that's kind of the last sticking point, to create this platform to help us do that. There's been one specific area that we've looked at, and Autodesk has been a part of the backbone of that, which has enabled us to create certain features that we've done in-house with our own team. And today we have fantastic products, features, that leverage off the Autodesk suite of products. We are a homegrown company from the UAE. We do have Swedish heritage, but we work globally. One of the main challenges that we have at Mart today is that, which is inherent in our industry, is that there's so much opportunity in terms of FF&E out there, and designers know this. The challenge they have, we believe, is that they do not have access to it in a very effective way. And this is where the Mart platform comes in, where they can go to one space, they can find the furniture, and in the future materials as well, and lighting, and be able to build their BOQs or specification in one go. Another challenge that we're facing is that the industry is very used to working with dealers, furniture dealerships, and just sending out their specification and needs, and we would then take our time, say that we need 5 days, 10 days to specify it and send it back. Today we can do that a lot quicker and work with them within 24 to 48 hours to understand that we're getting the specifications and pricing right, rather than leaving it to the 11th hour. So these are areas that we've been working on to enhance the experience. But I also believe a strong thing that technology does is that it creates a better work environment for the people doing it. It becomes more fun to work. We're in 2025, people don't want to work on tools that were created 20 years ago. And Autodesk is one of those companies that is pushing the boundaries and helping us do that.
We're offering to our clients accurate quotation, fast, reliable, and transparency throughout the process. Using Mart, our clients and partners, they all have now a place to collaborate together. Mart is more than just a platform. It became a collaborative place where designers, manufacturers, clients, they all work together on the project. They bring in real-time inputs, and changes are happening instantly. Sourcing furniture for large projects is complex. It involves coordinations with manufacturers, with designers, with construction. Thanks to standardization offered by Autodesk, we manage all this information in Mart platform to the benefit of all the stakeholders involved in the project. Mart is enabling digital transformation for the first time in the industry. This industry hasn't been changed much in the recent year, but I do see in the next 5 years that everyone will source smarter, not only furniture, but other products for the construction industry.
So in terms of furniture quotations, it was extremely slow process and very dated. Everything was purely through Excel, very manual, having to count general arrangement plans, and that generally just took a lot of time. Since using AutoCAD, it just allows our estimators really just to take the plan from AutoCAD, use our platform and really quickly count quantities, measure furniture, which is key for us. If we get any dimensions wrong, we could end up with a lot of poor sized furniture for a project. So AutoCAD just allows us very much to speed up and be more accurate. It allows our designers to scan spaces and create very quick general arrangements, dropping in furniture pieces that are direct from manufacturers, so the floor plans in general are just much more accurate. And that allows them then to get that out to the likes of us as a dealership, to look at the plans and see exactly what they are proposing for us to then turn it into a BOQ. It's been a number of things. Firstly, time saving. It allows our estimation team to process general arrangements and read plans and create BOQs much quicker. Also, it allows for our multi-disciplines to share and communicate and just be generally much more transparent when it comes to working on a project. Previously, a lot of miscommunication and just miscommunication really would slow down the whole project process. So having that transparency and ability for everyone to log on to Mart platform, see the project as it goes through the motions, really just improves the whole project process. So Mart in general has come such a long way over the last 18 months or so. Our software development team are just constantly releasing new updates and changes, keeping up with AI, which is forever developing and changing. So there's huge potential for this to go a long way within an industry which is still very dated in terms of the way other suppliers maybe work. Everyone, I think, knows that digital and AI is constantly evolving and rapidly now. So I think Mart is at the forefront of that process, and I can see lots of development and evolutions over the next few years. Who knows what we will come up with next, but I'm sure it will be an exciting journey. I think in future I just see us, as always, moving forward and working closely together, and the more that we communicate and continue to work on the new platforms like Revit, which all of our design team have moved over to recently, I think that we can continue to be at the forefront of the industry and helping to guide the rest of the design and construction industry forward to follow in the same footsteps.
It was a lot of time-consuming process. Everything was manual. When the designer gives the output of the drawing, the estimation team needs to go and count the individual blocks one by one. And this usually takes a day. And when we do have projects that have hundreds of furniture with multiple floors, it takes almost a week. So now automatically our platform scans the drawing, counts the blocks, classifies the blocks into the type of furniture, and automatically recommends the furniture. When we started Mart, we set with the goal to make the process that takes weeks and days to a matter of minutes. And I believe we have achieved that. And also, which takes more team members, we try to achieve the same with lesser team size. And basically, from working on the drawing to finally creating the BOQ and the presentation, this all can happen in a matter of minutes instead of taking weeks. So Accenture, being our technology partner, long-term technology partner for KPS, they've supported with the rollouts of Autodesk, Revit, and without those, Mart wouldn't be in this position because it starts from a drawing. Initially, Mart started as just an estimation tool, and it was used mainly by the estimation team. Slowly, we started introducing designers and their workflow into Mart, and we can see a huge improvement in efficiency in the overall process now. Right now, we take an export from Autodesk and feed it into Mart, and then continue the workflow. We believe we can achieve a seamless integration between these two, directly maybe work from Mart into Autodesk Suite or Autodesk into Mart, so that it's seamless and there's no loss of exporting, importing the project and creating it again in our platform. Mart helping in different ways, starting from the idea phase of creating a new idea for the project and to selection of a furniture. The designer can visualize in Mart the 3D models. Also, we are planning to involve augmented reality features where they can place the furniture directly in the space that they're envisioning and see how it looks. Also, we want to create a 3D walkthrough automatically. That's our ultimate goal. So just from ideation to actually seeing the output, we want to integrate AI into that and making it as seamless as possible. At the pace that technology is evolving right now, we can see a lot of tools that have sprung up. From space generation, like for example, just an idea from the designer and the space can be created automatically. And from that, imagining the space and also even selecting of the furniture, selecting of the finishes, everything can be integrated into the digital space now. There's no need to come in, go to the showroom, go and see everything, take time to decide that since we are in a fast-paced world, everything can be done digitally. I think one of the legacy concepts that I still see is, for example, a quotation or a customer presentation is sent physically and the client needs to sign it on every pages. We've introduced features in Mart like collaborative features where it can be shared directly with the client can approve it. And these are small steps that we're taking to make it future-proof. The market is not yet ready for those features, it's still following those processes. But what we think is we are pushing it to the next level and we are ready for the next 5 years. And we are already planning 2-3 years ahead.